Hi everybody, I told you I was going to make it. We're doing the pistachio cheesecake cream pie frozen thing from the freeze. And you will need a graham cracker pie crust. If you want, you can make your own. I do not. I buy mine. And an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And pistachio pudding. Instant pistachio pudding. Not the cook and serve. I suppose you could probably use the cook and serve, but... And milk. And we're going to start with our pistachio pudding. We're going to make this up ahead of time. Because when I put cream cheese into something, I like the cream cheese to be blended in pretty well. And it just isn't going to blend in unless you make the pistachio pudding. And we're going to use about 1.5 cups of milk. Because we're not going to use the full 2. Because then, in my opinion, it gets too liquidy. I know. I probably don't need to teach you guys how to make instant pudding, but maybe. And the slopping over the edge is necessary. You have to do that. Especially if you get a bowl that's probably a little smaller than what you need. Get all that mixed right in. You can take a strainer and strain out the pistachio pudding ahead of time if you don't want the little nut pieces in there. Luckily, Emma does not mind them. And this smells so good, doesn't it, Em?
Yeah.
We like the pistachio extract-y flavor. And I don't know why pistachio extract smells and tastes like it does. Because it doesn't taste anything like pistachio nuts, if you ask me. There, now we got it all thickened. And I've had my cream cheese out for a little bit now. So hopefully it's soft enough. I hope. If not, you can microwave it for a few seconds. But only do it for like 10 seconds. Because then your cream cheese will be melted all over the microwave. Alright, not all over the microwave, but at least all over the vessel that you put it in. And it'll be soupy and gooey. Oh, I also forgot we're going to need the cooler. Oh my goodness, I was so not prepared for this. Here's my fresh one. Yeah, you need that. And I like to blend up the cream cheese, like I said, ahead of time, so it gets all smooth and not lumpy. Now we're going to take a little bit of this. We're going to put a little bit in to make it smooth out a little bit more. And then we'll add the rest. There goes your pudding mix right in. Isn't that such a pretty color? Mm-hmm. Yes, I'm a scrape the bowl kind of person. I hate it when you're watching the things and they leave like half a cake mix in the bowl. That drives me nuts. Oh, look at that prettiness. Alrighty, now we'll get it the rest of the way blended. Yep. Pistachio cheesecake filling, yum. Do that. You're missing out, Em. That other beater's just over there lonely.
I'm good.
I think she's a little tired today. She's not very sparkly and happy. Unlike her mother, who's on life is good type of high, I guess. I don't know, it feels good lately. I like how my life is going. I don't know, I'm just happy. Maybe it's because I've been exercising a little bit more. The endorphins or whatever it is kicking in. Oh, that looks so good. It's going to be a fluffy pie. And whatever filling we have left, I'm sure nobody will mind if it ends up in the Cool Whip container and ends up frozen in the freezer. And a lot of people would only use half the cream cheese. We like the cream cheese around here. Heck, there are times we'd probably end up using 2. What do you think, Boo?
Good. It looks good.
Fork in there. I haven't taken care of dishes yet. Let's see if it's any good. Ooh. Another taste?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Guys, she's something else today. And then we're going to put it in our pie crust. And then we're going to stick it in the freezer for a little bit. Till at least gets really firm. Oh, we may not have much left. I bet if I left some in the bowl, she might steal the bowl from me afterwards. We'll leave some in the bowl just in case. She's over there giving me a little smirk and a giggle. I guess that got her, guys.
No, I'm laughing at the way you said afterwards. You messed up the word completely.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oops.
You said afterwards.
Oh. Well, there we go. Alright, so all it took was Mommy to mess up. And now she's laughing.
It's funny.
Isn't that beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
It's going in there, Boo. Look at that beautiful pie. And it only took a second. And your family's going to be so happy with you if you make their favorite flavor. You don't have to use pistachio. That's just what we want because me and Emma are on a pistachio kick. But you can use... I want to do a butterscotch one. But nobody else will eat butterscotch besides me. So, I haven't done a butterscotch one yet. Look at that. Fancy, fancy, and just in a few minutes. How many minutes did that take us, Boo?
11.
11 minutes. There you go. And then into the freezer to firm up. I don't know if we'll totally freeze it, because I don't know if we'll be able to wait that long. But when I do cut it, we'll bring you back on and let you see what it looks like then. Beautiful pistachio cheesecake freezer pie. We'll see you in a little bit. And we are back. And I have had this in the freezer for about, 2 hours or so. And then I had to take it out and put it in the fridge. So hopefully we can still cut it. We're going to find out. Because this one I did not add, like if you make a millionaire's pie, you add sweetened condensed milk. This one I did not. Because we really don't need it. And it's really good without it either way. Look at that beautifulness. What do you think, Em?
Pretty.
Good enough?
Very lopsided.
I know. This is not probably going to be beautiful when I take it out of here.
No.
Because most of the time, I don't always cut totally through the crust, and then the crust gets all wonky.
Crumbly.
It's a graham cracker crust. They get wonky anyway. Oh, I might get it halfway beautiful.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
If I don't drop it. Oh, look at it. It's aesthetic.
It's gorgeous.
Look at that. Didn't that come out pretty?
Yeah.
We considered... See, she's already sneaking in now. See, she's woken up.
Don't mind me, I'm doing this with one hand.
You're doing it with a wrong hand, too.
I know.
We're left-handed, so she's doing it right-handed. So, yeah. This is our pistachio cheesecake fluffy pie. Oh, it's good. She's going back in for another one. Mm. Oh, yeah. That's so good.
Mm-hmm.
She's going to eat half my piece before I even get a chance to.
Mm-hmm.
Make this. If you like the Dubai thing, stick some chocolate on top. There you go. We considered sticking chocolate on top, but you know what? I am getting so tired. It is late at night, so I have not. And she's going to show you her talons.
They're not talons.
Not today.
They're
But they're still kind of big.
I like them.
Make this. You need it in your life. Great, great summer treat for the hot, hot days ahead.
Yeah.
We got some really hot days coming up. 92.
90s.
That's hot for Maine. We're not used to that stuff.
Even 80's kind of hot.
It is. Today made it up to what? 84. And we've got the AC going. And yeah, us Mainers don't do well in the heat. We don't do well in the cold either. What are we?
Middles.
Alrighty. Well, that's our end of our video. And now I'm gonna go eat the little tiny piece of pie that's left on my plate. I hope you all have a wonderful, super fantastic evening, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to watch a few more.